So hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a new virtual machine in QEMU and how to share a folder. So first of all, select an ISO image. Okay, I want to show you a complicated one, like I do have a Linux Mint in my download, or you can browse it from here and then browse local and downloads. Just select the ISO file. Let me get Linux Mint. Okay, you can see non-detected. That means if I say forward, it will say try again. So what to do is write Ubuntu, or like for Mint I should write Ubuntu. For others like Genome OS, it's based on Fedora or RPM, so you should write Red Hat, and others are similar like this. Okay, so I'm adding 4 CPUs. Okay, after it are available, whatever. Okay, I'm doing enter. So okay, my Mint is loading. Okay, I'm setting all English. I don't need anything. Install multimedia codecs. I don't need. Let me check some transmission. Use LVM with Linux. Yes, I want to use LVM. Windows Virtual Machine. Do I need to encrypt it? No, I don't. I don't need it. Okay, just install. Okay, so let the installation in the background, and I will just add a shared folder. It requires the password from the host operating system. So I'm naming it the share. Let's target it. Okay. So you can see it will be enabled from the next reboot. Okay, so after a while the installation is done, and now you need a reboot. Just press enter in this moment, as you don't have any installation media. So welcome. Okay, so you can say it's done. Let me click the display. Okay, now you can see that everything is set up, and it's look like a real distro. Okay, now you can see that there's nothing in the home. It's only my name. So what I need is to add the shared folder here. Okay, so to do that, okay, here you just need to install virtiofsd. Just right sudo dnf install virtiofsd. It's already installed, so I'll leave it. Okay, now then let's check it. Before doing any change. Yes, everything's fine. The memory. Okay, yes, everything's fine. Okay. Now just open the terminal. Okay. Okay, so here I will need to make a folder first. So with sudo command, okay, sudo mkdir. And you can see it's already locked. So now you need to I'll need a text editor now. Nano. Or etc. Okay, so at the end, you just need to write share. So what? Okay, so share was the file you have created. Yeah. Okay, so you created share. Yeah, okay. So now just write home. And now write defaults 0 0. Now press Ctrl X and then Y. Okay. Oh wait, there was something wrong. Okay, now I guess it's fine. Ctrl X. Look, your fstab has been modified, but system still uses the old version of systemctl demo on reload. I don't need it. Okay, we can see everything is fine, and now it's okay. Okay, so the video ends there. So that's all for today.
Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.